Gratitude enhances interpersonal relationships by fostering a positive atmosphere, making individuals feel valued and respected. This foundation frequently leads to stronger connections among people. Regularly expressing thanks improves mental well-being. Acknowledging acts of kindness not only boosts happiness but also promotes a more optimistic outlook on life. In professional settings, expressing gratitude catalyzes collaboration and nurtures a supportive work environment, ultimately enhancing team productivity and morale. Moreover, repeated expressions of gratitude underscore the significant emotional impact of small gestures. Acknowledging others fosters goodwill, which in turn strengthens interpersonal connections. The simple act of saying thank you can greatly enrich personal and professional relationships. It signifies recognition and respect, both of which are essential for effective communication. Cultivating a habit of gratitude consistently correlates with enhanced mental well-being. Research indicates that expressing thanks can lead to increased happiness and reduced stress. Moreover, expressing gratitude has profound implications for mental health and well-being. The positive emotions that arise from regularly thanking others contribute to overall emotional stability. In addition, thanking someone enhances teamwork and collaboration. It nurtures a supportive environment where everyone feels valued and motivated to contribute effectively. Furthermore, gratitude improves communication skills. Acknowledging others fosters open dialogue, effectively strengthening bonds within both personal and professional relationships. Frequent expressions of thanks create a sense of community and connection among individuals. This not only enhances interpersonal relationships but also cultivates an uplifting environment. Additionally, gratitude plays a significant role in emotional well-being, promoting feelings of happiness and contentment that can improve interactions in various contexts. Finally, acknowledging others' contributions can motivate and inspire them to persist in their efforts. This practice reinforces a culture of appreciation and recognition that benefits all.